Good morning, children. I hope you are all doing good by the grace of God. Shall we bow down our heads and pray? Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For yours is the kingdom, the power and the glory forever and ever. Amen. God bless you all, children. Take care.
Hi students, I hope you are all fine and safe at your home. Today we are going to learn continuation of the second lesson, electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is the form of heat and magnetism. Now we are going to see electric switch. We are using switches to turn on or off the electric current. Our country faces a shortage of electricity. So wastage of electricity means you are depriving someone else of electricity. That is, you are making use of someone's electricity. So it is our duty to consume electricity according to our needs. Whenever you see switches are unnecessarily in on condition, it is your duty to switch off the electricity. There are various kinds of electricities are used to turn on or off the electricity easily and conveniently. Types of switches are tapping key, toggle switch, illuminator switch, plug key, rocker switch and slide switch. Circuit diagram. In circuit diagram, the following symbols are used to denote the components in a circuit. The first symbol denotes battery, where the second symbol, that is a longer line, denotes wire. Third symbol denotes bulb, and then finally the symbol denotes open and closed circuit. That is the switches. First, open means the switch is in on condition, closed means the switch is in closed condition. Electric circuit. It is difficult to draw a realistic diagram of the circuit. So the electrical appliances you use at your home have even more difficult circuits. Drawing circuit is a difficult thing. So the scientists have tried to find out circuit in a easiest way. For that they have introduced some symbols to denote the components in a circuit. In this circuit, the longer line denotes the positive terminal. So in the circuit, we can see the longer line near to plus symbol. It denotes the positive terminal, whereas the short line which is near to the negative symbol denotes the negative terminal. Types of electrical circuits. There are two types. One is series circuit and parallel circuit. In series circuit, bulbs were arranged one after the other. In parallel circuit, bulbs were arranged in a parallel to each other. That is, arranged in a straight line. Now let us see one demonstration about series circuit. Now let us see series circuit. In series circuit, two bulbs are connected to a battery. When you switch on the battery, the power distributed to the light one by the other. If one light goes out, rest of the light will also goes out. Now the question may arise, do both the bulbs light up? Do both glow equally bright? Sometimes bulbs appear to be similar, can differ from each other. That is, bulbs can appear in same, but it functionally different from each other. So similar looking bulb do not always glow equally bright when connected in series. This is due to circuit can be broken at several places, that is breakage between two bulbs or between a battery and a bulb. Now we are going to see parallel circuit. In parallel circuit, bulbs were arranged in a straight line, that is parallel to each other. Now let us see one demonstration about parallel circuit. Now we are going to see parallel circuit. In parallel circuit, three bulbs are connected to a battery. When you switch on, the power supplies to all the bulbs. When one bulb goes out, rest of the bulbs do their work as it is. Now we are going to see similarity and difference between series and parallel circuit. In series circuit, single loop connection is available, that is a single wire connection is available. In parallel circuit, the wires are connected by branches, so that is there are many branches. In series circuit, bulbs dimmer, whereas in parallel circuit, bulbs brighter. In series circuit, bulbs share power, that is one bulb share power by the other. But in parallel circuit, each bulb fully powered, that is at the same time each bulb will be powered equally. Fourth point, all bulbs go out if one goes out, that is if any of the bulbs faces any issues, means rest of the bulbs will also be affected. But in parallel circuit, no matter how the bulb are affected, rest of the bulbs remains same, that is all bulbs stay lit if one goes out. Conductors. So what are conductors? So in conductor, any material that allows electric current to pass through it. Conductors allows electric current to pass through it. Example, copper, aluminium, steel or any metal. These are the good conductors of heat and electricity. In conductors, it offers less resistance to electrons. Less resistance to electrons. Conductors are the materials whose atoms have electrons that are loosely bound and are free to move through the material. Since the atoms are very loosely bound, it can move here and there by its properties, so that it is a good conductor and which has a high electrical power. Insulators. So what is insulators? Any material that does not allow electric current to pass through it, like the protective coating on wires. Example, plastic, rubber, glass, cloth, wood, etc. In insulators, it gives very high resistance. Those material which do not have enough free electrons, which are not good at conducting electricity. Since insulators doesn't have free electrons, these are not good conductors of electricity. Now we are going to see effects of electric current. There are three effects of electric current. They are heating effect, magnetic effect and chemical effect. Heating effect. When an electric current passes through a wire, the electric energy is converted to heat. So all of us know that when electric current passes through a wire, obviously electric energy is converted into heat. The heating effect of electric current has many practical applications. For example, the electric bulb, geyser, iron box, immersible water heater are based on this effect. In these materials, heating coils are having high resisting power. Factors affecting heating effect of current: electric current, resistance and time for which current flows. Electric fuse. Electric fuse is a safety device which is used in household wiring and in many appliances. Electric fuse has a body made up of ceramic and 2 points for connecting the fuse wire. So we can see electric fuse which has two points to connect the wire. One is initial point and another is final point. The fuse wire melts whenever there is overload of the current in the wire. This breaks the circuit and helps in preventing damage to costly appliances and to the wiring. Next we are going to see MCBs, that is miniature circuit breaker. MCBs have been replacing electric fuse from wiring at most of the places. So in electric fuse, one should replace the wire whenever overloading of the electricity current takes place. But in MCB, one need to just switch on or off the circuit so that it breaks the circuit automatically. Magnetic effect of electricity. In 1819, Hans Christian Ørsted discovered the electricity that has a magnetic effect. Applications of magnetic effect of electric current, that is electromagnet. Magnetic effect of electric current has been used in making powerful electromagnets. Electromagnets are also used to remove splinters. Splinters means breakage parts. of steel or iron in hospitals dealing with eye injuries. So, examples of magnetic electromagnets are electric bell, cranes and telephone. Now, we are going to see magnetic effects of telephone. In telephones, a changing magnetic effect causes a thin sheet of a metal. So, in this picture we can see that is a thin sheet which is called diaphragm. In telephones, a changing magnetic effect causes a thin sheet of metal called diaphragm to vibrate. The diaphragm is made up of a metal means which is a good conductor of heat and electricity, which can be attracted to magnets. The diaphragm is attached to spring that is fixed to the earpiece. When a current flows through the wire, the soft iron bar becomes an electromagnet. The diaphragm becomes attracted to the electromagnets as the person on the other hand of the As the person on the other end of the line speaks, his voice causes the current in the circuit to change. This causes the diaphragm in the earpiece to vibrate and producing sound. Chemical effects of electricity. Chemical reactions happens when electricity passes through various conducting liquids. Liquids, for example, electricity passing through water. So, this which creates chemical reactions in water. So, this is known as chemical effects of electricity. Students, what are the types of electrical circuits? Series circuit and parallel circuit. What is the similarity between series circuit and parallel circuit? Energy source and wires. Students, we have completed the second lesson. Read all definitions and complete your fair file. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you, students.